English essay. My country. My country. India is my country. Delhi is the capital of India. Hindi is our national language. India is an agricultural country. India is surrounded by the Himalayas in the north, the Indian Ocean in the south, the Arabian Sea in the west, and the Bay of Bengal in the east. There are many rivers like the Ganga, the Yamuna, the Brahmaputra, and the Narmada. India has a rich cultural heritage. People of different castes, religions, and communities live together peacefully. India is a country of great men and women like Asoka, Rani Lakshmibai, Mahatma Gandhi, Sardar Patel, Tagore, C.V. Raman, Vikram Sarabhai, and others. It is the land of Ram, Krishna, Buddha, and Mahavir. The Taj Mahal, the Ajanta and Ellora caves, and the temples of South India attracts tourists from all over the world. India has made great progress in the field of science and industry. I am proud of my country. Thank you, friends. Please like, share, and subscribe.